Rule of psychology states first person who makes any statement prior to actually asking the individual themselves actually takes precedent, especially if they have enough truth or quote unquote validity to their statement. But yet still, when an individual's approached at an outside standpoint, they're considered to be the culprit when literally the other individual who's actually contributing to the negligence or the improper treatment of that particular individual is not being accounted for as being themselves, because literally they already know prior to the original history of the original individual, thus stating the home court advantage of stating what? The original person gets the home court advantage off rip, and basically they have to go through the sniffing process of any and every allegation quote unquote assumed or committed or even thought of based on what notion? The original culprit, but yet still the original culprit themselves is outside of their home court territory, so therefore you still have to pay the reverse angle regardless, even if your child is quote unquote telling the truth or not truth, but yet still the child itself who actually knows the value of the truth still plays the original what? Victim in this case. So how do you explain that one when basically it's all backwards to begin with, when the problem actually originated with the originating child getting psyched out improperly and basically being informed on the other person being what? The culprit of what is wrong or what is being presented. So if someone is automatically being the antagonistic individual, how does the ultimate person actually alleviate the situation except for what? Isolating themselves from the individuals that are actually causing the trouble initially. Right or wrong? Where is your ethical standpoint on what's true and not true when literally the person is barely living on what? The notion of who? Everybody else's parents being alive, or what? Their actual parents being dead? Who's playing the cards to their favor?